to day 10. We did it, guys. We made it to day 10 and the end of the squirrel menu. So bravo on sticking with it all these days with us. And let's take a look at today's activities. So first of all, in reading, you're going to choose a nonfiction book to read, or you can continue with the one you've been reading. And you're going to read for 15 to 20 minutes, practicing everything you've learned so far and jotting down your learning in your notebook. And after you've read a chunk, you're going to pretend you're telling your teacher or your friend or family all about what you've learned on that topic. You can write it out in a notebook, making sure you use your main ideas and details from the text. And that actually, it happens often. I will read an article or something, and I will turn to a coworker or someone, and I will say, I just read this book about blank, and I will tell them details about it. So that's essentially what we're going to do today. Now, in your own writing, today you're going to prepare your writing to publish it. You're going to use all you've learned so far as you look back, and you're going to reread your writing. Then I want you to consider adding some text features to your writing. Do you want to use like headings or illustrations or pictures? Anything you want to enhance your writing, for your reader as you prepare to publish. And I happen to grab on Epic here this nonfiction book about cheetahs. So you can see some text features here. One of the things they do is they have a diagram. So if you have a diagram for your readers to kind of see, they have broken down their body and given some adaptations and things that help them. And you notice each one of them is spelled out. So they pointed to the part of the body and they described it. Another text feature on here, this little thing called word bites. So it looks like they've taken a word, they took the word pray here, and they have defined it for us. They took a word that maybe not everybody knows, and they gave the definition. Another text feature they put in here is a question and answer. They have a question, and they did it upside down, right? So I guess it's supposed to be a little bit harder to read. So you'd have to come up with, what cat should you never play cards with? A cheetah. Get it? Yeah, all right, because they're throwing jokes out, not really facts, but you could put those in as well. Let's see here. Ooh, we have a nice big heading for a section. That's a text feature. This one's cool. This one shows how to say the word. You can find these in a dictionary. So not just defining camouflage, but how you pronounce it. Cam-o-flage. Okay, it's letting you know how to pronounce it, which is pretty cool. Let's see what other text features they have. More word bites. Just how about the pictures, the illustrations, the photographs on here are just amazing. So more of the same text features. Let's see here. Ooh, they've got a photo, and beneath the photo, do you know what this is called? That is referred to as a caption. So if you've included a special photo, you can include a caption, which gives us information. They've got statues of cheetahs found in King Tut's tomb. Cool, I didn't know that. All right, I just learned something. All right, this is cool. They have a text feature here which shows all the different noises that cheetahs can make. So instead of putting it all in a big paragraph, they have made it into these little speech bubbles that gave us information about sounds that they make, which is, again, pretty helpful. They have a picture inside of a picture. Oh, this is cool. At the very end of their book, they have a glossary. So this glossary gives us some information, some different definitions, right, of different words. Look at the beginning and see if they also had, let's go to the very beginning. They did not really have a table of contents. So sometimes nonfiction books have a table of contents. This one didn't. This is cool, the difference between a cheetah and a leopard. And they have done it in kind of a table format. So I can see how their tails are different, their bodies are different, their heads are different. So those are just some possibilities, but what could you add to yours? Okay, guys, in math, we're going to do 1 to 2 lessons in Dreambox, and then we're going to do today's problem, which is this. When Jamie added 4/10 plus 7/10, he ended up with the answer of 11/100. Can you explain to him what he did wrong? So he made an error in there somewhere. Can you tell him what went south there in that answer? Okay, don't forget to do your movement for today, and don't forget to do your choice board activity down below. Hope you guys have an absolutely awesome day 10. Thank you for learning with us, and hopefully you've had some fun.